Hello, bore da, buenos dias. It's Melissa here from Llyn, Parc, Mawr Community Woodland Group, and today I'm going to show you how to do some stick weaving or make an ojo de Dios. First, you're going to need a stick and some loppers. Use the loppers to cut 2 lengths of stick at about the same length. They also need to be about the same thickness. You could also just try and find 2 sticks that are a similar length and thickness if you don't have the tools. Once you have 2 sticks that are the same length, cut off any side shoots or sticky out bits so that you have 2 nice smooth sticks. So now you have your base. And if you're struggling to find any sticks at all, then you can use pencils. So now you have your 2 sticks or 2 pencils, take some wool and tie a knot around one of the sticks in the middle. I've used a reef knot, but you can use any knot. This beginning bit is a bit fiddly, so you might need to get someone to help you. Now take the other stick and lay it on top of the first stick to make a cross shape. Wind the wool over the top stick, under the bottom stick, over the top stick again and back under the bottom stick, and then do this again. Then you need to wrap the wool twice around the bit in between the 2 sticks. It's kind of like a square lashing. This is where you start weaving. Now you take the end of your wool and you wrap it over the top stick, under, then make a cross and turn it. Over, under, make a cross over the wool and turn it, over, under, cross and turn, over, under, cross and turn. So then you make sure your wool follows the pattern that you've already woven. Make sure that your wool lies next to the wool that's already there rather than going on top of it. And then you keep going. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky to do this bit, so just keep trying. Once you get the pattern, it's a lot easier. It's also easier if you hold the stick from the bottom, or you can put it on a table and then just keep turning it every time after you've wrapped the stick around, and just keep following the pattern. Over, under, make a cross with your wool and turn, over, under, cross and turn, over, under, cross and turn, and so on. So when you run out of wool, or if you just want to change colour, you just take another piece of wool and tie the ends of your wool together. Again, tie them with any knot that's easiest for you. Don't worry about any straggly bits of wool. You can sort these out afterwards. and just carry on weaving. This way of weaving originates in Mexico. It used to be called a God's eye, or a ojo de Dios. People used to make them and give them to their friends and family to bring protection and good luck. I've used all green wools in mine. I was having a green day. But you can use any colour wool you like and any type of wool, and you can use thick wool with thin wool or thin wool with thick wool, and you can even use string, just whatever you have. So when you get to the end of your weaving, or when you've decided that you've just had enough or you've run out of wool, you just pull it tight. Turn the weaving over and then tie the end of the wool to the straggly bit that was in the middle where you started. Then take some scissors and cut off all the loose bits, but don't cut them too close to the knots or they might start to unravel. And there you go. Happy weaving. And I hope you all have a lovely day.